Okay, so this video is about streaming. We are here in Prosser where we're going to do a test stream so you can see what it looks like. The streaming kits are located together on this shelf. They are identical kits in terms of what they have, except one has a USB-C laptop and one has an older model laptop with more than a USB-C port. So the only hardware difference between them would be you might need a USB-C adapter that is in the kit for the USB-C laptop. But let's just go ahead and pull kit 1 for the purpose of this tutorial, and I will unbox it and set it up, and you guys will learn how to do that as I do it. Yay, tutorials.
Woo.
Okay, so in this first pouch, I'm going to take out the camcorder. And here in Prosser, we have a little tripod on the booth counter. That's where we're gonna set it up there. If you're streaming in another location, like Johnston Hall, for example, you're going to put it on a large tripod. So also with that camcorder is its power cable. Very important. You have to plug stuff in to make them go. General AV rule. So to get the camcorder onto the tripod, you'll see this is all the way lowered. That's for stability because this camcorder is much heavier than this little plastic tripod. So on the bottom of the camcorder, you'll see there's that threading there. That's what's going through that. So I'm just going to rest that and, try not to break things. Another rule of AV, try not to break things. Gonna set that on there, line it up with that threading. And twist from the bottom. Okay, so that has secured this onto this tripod, and then here in Prosser, I'm going to push this all the way up against the glass to capture what's going on in there, and we'll make some adjustments later. To power it up, the power goes in this little section right here. And we can power into this power strip. If the lens cap is not open, it's this trigger right here. So, closed, open. You're gonna wanna make sure that's open.
I stepped on it.
To power the camcorder on, it's also on this side. It's a switch, so power on. Perfect. This camcorder does have a preview monitor up here at the top that you can flip out so that you can see what's happening. All right, so that's the camcorder. That in and of itself obviously will not stream, so we need to add some other components. Those are all found in the other pocket. So this one is the USB-C laptop. Just gonna open that up, fire it up. I'm going to power it because we never want to rely on battery power. One, the laptop could die and then we're going to be having a really bad day. Or the stream could just buffer in a way that we don't like because it's taking too much of the computer's processing power to rely on its battery. So plug that in, log into it. The password, can you guess it? It's media. So I have a laptop and a camcorder. They're not connected. That's not doing anything for me. Let's go ahead and connect them. In the front pouch, we're going to find this UTAP HDMI USB interface. Because this kit includes a USB-C laptop, we also have the USB-C adapter. So we'll go ahead and plug the USB-C adapter into there. Adapter to USB to this guy. And this is where the HDMI is going to make a connection to that camcorder with an HDMI cable. Look, here it is. We did it. So the HDMI cable is going to go from the camcorder, this section right here, into our UTAP USB interface. What that's doing is allowing the computer to recognize that camcorder as a USB device, so we will actually get an image. And that gives us our video, but you know, another integral component of a stream is sound. So in Prosser, we're gonna pull sound from the sound system, and that is gonna be over there. So I might actually need to move my station over a little bit, over yonder. Luckily my HDMI cable is plenty long for that to reach. Okay, so the USB of the sound system in Prosser is conveniently located with this USB cable that should always be here in the booth. And as you can see, that actually is not, that's not doing anything for me, so I need an adapter. And what specifically adapter I might need? Roop?
I'm walking into Brittany.
Do I need this?
No, that's
I don't need this.
cringe. This is how you do that, guys.
Beep boop.
And then, where is it? There it is.
Yay, now our adapter's closer.
Here you film.
Whee!
It's me.
Look, it's Emma.
Look, it's me. And then you just go ahead and toss that guy. No. Yeah, you put it right there.
Yay, amazing. Okay, you can take that back.
Okay, cool.
So just to recap all of the things that are connected to other things, and some of this is specific to Prosser. We're getting sound from the sound system, so the USB cable that's on the booth connected to the sound system gets plugged into the USB-C adapter. And then to get our video, we have HDMI in the camcorder, in through our USB adapter here, in through the USB-C adapter into the computer. What could go wrong?
Woo!
Right. And because we are pulling sound from the sound system, we have to make sure that the system is on. Amazing. That's our hardware setup.